Şirketle ilgili bir takım yenilikler yapmak istiyorum. Derdim şirketi biraz daha genç ve... Tabii fikrim var ama...
Hello, Wilson. It's time for... Today, you're trying for your horn honking badge. Emery will be testing you.
But I already know how to honk. See?
Yes, but I need to make sure you know when to use it.
For example, as a warning.
And when not to use it.
Like if you see this sign.
Got it! Let's ride the rail! Look out, Irving! Chuck is behind you!
Nice one, Wilson.
Sharp bend. Better warn Chug as I'm approaching.
Good honking.
This is easy peasy. Hello, cow!
Wilson, you scared them. You shouldn't honk at animals.
Sorry, I was just saying hello. Have I failed?
No, you're allowed one mistake.
Phew, I better get everything else right.
Hello there.
Morning.
Good honking. Last test coming up.
That sign means something. What was it again? Oh, it's on the tip of my bumper. It's a horn. It must mean...
Wilson!
Oh, bumpers. That was the no honking sign, wasn't it?
Yeah, sorry, mate.
I've failed, haven't I?
Don't worry. You can try again another time.
Wilson! My light was green. I have the right of way. Oh, green means go, red means no. But my light is green. Wait a minute. Maybe the lights are stuck. I'd better check.
Sounds like a warning. Special announcements. We apologise for the delay. Normal service should resume shortly. Wilson, what's going on? My light's green.
Mine too. They're both stuck. I'm going to tell V.
Good job, Wilson. Hey, you've really proved you know how to use your horn correctly.
Does that mean...
Special announcement. Wilson has earned his horn honking badge.
Congratulations, Wilson.
Let me hear you honk.
Sorry, Emery. No honking.
Oh, whoops.
Chuggington. West.